All right, the drink we're about to make is called Anniversary Cocktail. We're going to serve this up in a martini glass, so put some water and ice in there and let it chill while you're making your drink. By the time you're done, it should be ready to go. All right, put some ice in a mixing glass, and we'll measure out 1.5 ounces of brandy. And follow that up with 1.5 ounces of gin. And we'll give it a dash of bitters. And shake it up. Get it nice and cold. There we go. Pour out your ice water from your martini glass. And get your strainer and pour it in. There you go. That is Anniversary Cocktail. Bottoms up.